And ladies and gentlemen, what exactly is happening in the Vadra Congress? Captain has left. G23 leaders are up in arms. Everyone's criticizing the Vadras. Not wrong. And the party is so desperate that it's going with folded hands and bended knee to Navjot Singh Sidhu, saying, Mr. Sidhu, don't go, stay with us. Here's how the civil war in the Congress is unfolding. The violence that has broken out, the physical violence that has broken out in a collapsing party, and then we debate.
I will tell you later. I've already said so. Number one, I am not going to remain in the Congress. Number two, I am not joining the BJP.
12 days after stepping down as the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh has announced that he will resign from the Congress party. He has taken a vow to ensure Sidhu does not win.
Sidhu is not the right man for Punjab, and अगर वो लड़ेगा, जहाँ से भी लड़ेगा, मैं उसको नहीं जीतने दूँगा.
At 6 p.m, his replacement, Charanjit Singh Channi, left Punjab Bhavan after a 2-hour-long meeting. Sources say Congress has offered a truce formula. They desperately want to keep Sidhu back because they are helpless.
Sources tell us that the Congress is going all out to placate Sidhu. The party high command, that is the Gandhis and the Vadras, have tasked Harish Rawat to speak to both Sidhu and Channi to ensure that Sidhu is kept in the party ahead of the polls.
In such a situation, all eyes are on what Captain Amrinder Singh will do next. Could he ally with the BJP, given his meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah, or will he go it alone? Sources say he could form his own party with a pro-nation and pro-nationalist view, one that focuses on national security. Sources close to Captain Amrinder, those who worked with him for decades, have told Republic TV that Captain Amrinder could after all float his own outfit, and they say that he's already talking to like-minded parties. Now we hear that this political party will be pro-nation, pro-forces, will focus on national security, and most importantly, the security of Punjab. 12 days ago, Captain Amrinder had already hinted at Navjot Singh Sidhu being a national security threat.
मैंने पहले दिन से कहा है, जब से गया है, पहले तो इमरान खान का दोस्त है, इमरान खान की स्वेरिंग इन के लिए गया, मैंने कहा मत जाओ, चला गया. आई वाज द चीफ मिनिस्टर, डिडंट लिसन. उसके बाद फिर जनरल बाजवा को जाके उधर जप्पी डालता है, एंड फिर वो टेक्स क्रेडिट फॉर करतारपुर, सेइंग कि फौज ने ये करतारपुर कॉरिडोर बनाया. और मैंने कहा व्हाई हैव यू हग्ड दिस पाकिस्तानी जनरल बाजवा.
All indicators pointing to the concern being valid, like the time he hugged the Pakistan Army chief, or the time he hailed the Pakistan Prime Minister, or the time he conducted photo ops with the Khalistan leader. Former congressmen are aghast. This is exactly what they have been saying is wrong.
पंजाब में तो जग जाहिर है, सब पूरा देश देख रहा है कि एक व्यक्ति कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह, जिन्होंने देश के प्रति फौज तक में सेवाएं दी हैं, उनको बाहर का रास्ता दिखाया जा रहा है. उन लोगों को अंदर लाया जा रहा है. ऐसे एडवाइजर जो भारत को बांटने की बात करते हैं, जो कश्मीर को देश का अंग ना समझते हों.
Look at the G23, for example. One leader after another, slamming the Congress antics of intimidation and violence by a few factions.
I have just returned from a regional security conference. And I can tell you that the only people who are very happy with what is going on in Punjab is the deep state of Pakistan.
I don't want to talk about Punjab, but a border state where this is happening to the Congress party means what? It's an advantage to the ISI in Pakistan.
Oh, look at these tweets. Ghulam Nabi Azad has slammed the party. Anand Sharma is slamming the Youth Congress. Even Chidambaram says there is no freedom of speech. They are angry over this protest of the Youth Congress.
विरोध इस बात का है कि कपिल सिब्बल जी को अपने स्टेटमेंट पे ध्यान देना चाहिए कि उनका स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि उन्होंने जिस पार्टी ने उनको कपिल सिब्बल बनाया, आप वो उसी पार्टी की जड़ें खोखले करने पे लगे हुए.
It's an all-out war as leaders attack each other in public.
कपिल सिब्बल जी हमारे वरिष्ठ नेता, पूर्व मंत्री हैं और वरिष्ठ वकील भी हैं, और उसका इस प्रकार से बयान देना निश्चित रूप से दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है.
It's chaos as from one state to the next, they crumble and look for an exit route.
समाजवादी पार्टी का वोट शेयरिंग सबसे ज़्यादा है, तो समाजवादी पार्टी विपक्ष के अंदर मुख्यतः लड़ती हुई नज़र आती है। तो ये समाजवादी पार्टी की जिम्मेदारी है कि सबको साथ लेकर के जो एक मजबूती आ सकती है, सबको साथ मिला करके अगर हम लोग चलें तो हम भारतीय जनता पार्टी को हराने में सक्षम होंगे।
It's complete decimation. The writing was on the wall. It's a situation that the Vadra Congress are loved. Let's debate.